Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I am gonna show you something very cool so you can learn this and improve your design skill for KDP cover designs, and that is totally for free. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. For the last 1 week, I have been learning this course that is from Skillshare. This is premium course, and but I will show you a trick to get this course for free. This course is Adobe Photoshop CC Essentials Training course, and that is from Daniel Scott, and he is a certified Photoshop Adobe Photoshop trainer and certified expert when it comes to Photoshop and others, web design and many things. He has lots of courses. So you can see here the popularity of this course, 42,000 students, and that is beginner level course, and 1198 projects. And what I really love about this course is it has source files, project files that you can use to learn this along the trainer. So side by side you can learn and master your design skills. I have been learning this, and currently I am on lesson 33 or 34, maybe 33. So these trainings are very good, and these can really improve your design skills that you need to improve to make a better covers for your KDP books, because you already know cover is the first thing that a customer looks, and that when a customer clicks on the cover, he is able to know more about your book. And if your cover is not good, then the customer won't click on it, and the Amazon thinks that your book is not according to the needs of the customer, or is not valuable. So no matter how good your book is, if your cover is bad, then your book is not going to show up in the Amazon search results. And for that purpose, I am learning Photoshop. I have been learning Photoshop since 1 or 2 years, but there have been a big gap between that. So since last 1 week, I have resumed this, and I have started this course. There are 87 lectures, and you can get this for free, totally free. And this is premium course, and I am giving you a link in the description. If you come to this link and click on this link, and you will be presented with this page which says Subha invites you to try Skillshare Premium for free, for 2 months, and then you can search this course, that is Adobe Photoshop CC Essentials Training course, and you can enjoy this course totally for free for the next 2 months and learn basic Photoshop skills that will really help you to improve your design skills and improve your KDP income, because when your covers are very good, then you are going to make very good income and very good sales from KDP. So I am personally learning this, and I thought, why not to share this with my subscribers, so you can get this for free for the next 2 months. And if you would like to pay, then you can subscribe for 1 year or month by month to learn more things and more design skills from Skillshare. Skillshare is very good marketplace to learn anything you want to learn, and that is very good for self-publishers as well. There are also courses on self-publishing as well. You can search here on the search bar. My PC is going slow. KDP publishing. There are courses on KDP publishing. So let's see. You can learn these courses for free. Okay, enter. There are courses. These may be premium courses, And the one I love the most is how to publish low and no content books like journals, sketchbooks and workbooks. You can learn this for free for the next 2 months by checking by going to the link, very first link in the description, and you can enjoy 2 months of Skillshare for free. That is premium membership. And that is all from me today. I just wanted to share this with you people. Do subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new video from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.